everyone, when we talk about behavior, it's often really serious, and it is a serious subject. We're trying to manage behavior, change behavior, stop it from happening, especially if it's interrupting what's going on in our classrooms and teaching self-regulation and all those things. And you know, we've learned some wonderful things, and I walked into schools this past spring and I saw these great, what I would call sensory sidewalks, the hallways, you know, that have the hopscotch and the wall push-ups and walking in a circle or whatever. So I thought about that a little bit and I said, wow, how can you take that one step further and get in kind of that S.E.L, that social emotional learning piece? So we could kind of get emotions in check while we're using that sensory sidewalk to kind of calm the body and whatnot when we're dealing with a kid who's maybe agitated or a little bit just needs to get the wiggles out. So if we have a kid that we want to teach those things like mindful and yoga practices, which of course you all know that I love, and I also, even though behavior is a serious subject, I love having fun. And I think we need to have a lot more fun. So I want to show you my idea around kind of merging the sensory sidewalk or sensory hallway and adding that kind of social emotional piece. So I'm going to bring you down to the sidewalk. Come on, join me. Don't be afraid. This will be fun. Trust me, this will be fun. Come on, join me. Okay. Now, okay, here we are. Here's my little sidewalk right here. So I'm gonna just go through this with you kind of step by step, and hopefully you'll get that idea. So if I start here on go, I'm gonna do that typical thing where, oh, follow the lines, kids. And so here I go, here I go, here I go, here I go. What's this? Stop and breathe. Okay, no one ever tells me to stop and breathe. No, okay, I can do that. Now what do I do? Oh, now it's jump time, even more fun. Whew, here I go. What does that say? Breathe in for 4, exhale for 6. And do that 2 times. See, and if we've taught this in morning circle or groups or whatever, they know what this is. So we're gonna stop now, we're gonna breathe in for 4. Ooh, already, I'm feeling a little better. Zigzag time. Boom, 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 boom. What's this? 1 foot now? I can do this. Hop. Ready? Boom, boom, boom. What's this? Stop. Lion's breath 2 times. Again, if you've taught these techniques, this is where they're going to remember them. Lion's breath is super fun, as we all know. Ready? 2 times. Ah! Ah! Oh, God, that feels so good to me. Hands up, hands down. Say, I'm okay. I'm okay. I am okay. Smile. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.